Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the next chapter, statistics. Statistics, already you know about the classification of data, that is primary data, secondary data. These all you learn in 6th standard. The pictorial representation of the data also you learn, that is bar graph, pie chart, all you draw in 6th standard. So in this lesson we are going to learn the mean, median and mode. So before that, what is the collection of data and organization of data? These all you studied in 6th standard. I just recall that. Collection of data means the specific information you collect through directly or some institution, some anywhere you get the information, that is the collection of data. Organizing data means from the collection of data you organize the data. For example, if you are collecting the height of the class 7 students, means how many of them in 155 centimeter, how many of them that is how many of them the 150 above the 150 centimeter, how many of them below 150 centimeter, and how many of them in between. That when we arrange in some specific order, means that is the organization, that is organize the data. So here next so here next arithmetic mean means, that is mean, average or arithmetic mean, both are same only. Average means it is one of the measure of central tendency. Central tendencies, one of the measure is arithmetic mean, another two are median and mode. These are called central tendencies. So average means, so how will you find the arithmetic mean or average? So some information you collect, that is called observation. So sum of all observation. So if you are collecting the height of the students, means you add all the height of the students, then you divide by the number of observation, that is how many students height you collect, that number of students you have to write here. When you divide these two, you got the arithmetic mean or average. So when we do the problems, you understand. So example problem you studied in the book itself. I explain the exercise problems. So first filling the blanks we finish and move to the second question. The mean of the first 10 natural numbers. Mean means this first you write the observation. What is the observation here? First 10 natural number. Natural number start from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the first 10 natural numbers. We have to find the mean of these 10 natural numbers. So mean means sum of all observation, then number of observation divided by number of observation. So sum means you have to add all the observation. So when we add all these, what do you get? So 10, 9 plus 1, 10, and 2 plus 8, 10, 3 plus 7, 10, and 6 plus 4, 10. So 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 plus 5, 55. So it is equal to 55. Number of observation is 10. So 55 divided by 10 is 5.5. So here 1 0, so the point should be here. So after one place you have to keep the point. So 5.5 is the mean of the first 10 natural numbers. If the average selling price of 15 book is rupees 235, then the total selling price is. So average of that is here average is given. Average means mean of 15 books is 235. So arithmetic mean formula is sum of all observation divided by number of observation. So sum of all observation, arithmetic mean we know. So what is the arithmetic mean of 15 books? 235. It is equal to sum of all observation. That we don't know. That only they ask. Total selling price. So that is sum of all observation we don't know, so keep as it is. Number of observation is how many books? 15 books, so 15. So which is equal to, so sum of all observation is equal to 235. This 15 goes here, so divided by 15 goes equal after it is multiplied by 15. So which is equal to, when we multiply these two we got the answer. So 235 15, 5 5s are 25, 15 17, 11 5 3 2 5 2. So 3 rupees 3535 is the answer. So 3525 is the answer. 25. The average of the mark 2, 9, 5, 4, 4, 8, 10 is. So average mark of this. So when we add all these, then divided by the number of observation. So 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 24, 24 plus 8 is 32, 32 plus 10, 42. So 42 divided by how many observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 observation. So 6 7s are 42. So 6 is the answer. Average mark is 6. And the average of the integer between minus 10 to 10. So minus 10 to 10. So first you write the observation. Minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when we add all these, we get 0 only, because minus 10 plus 10 becomes 0. When we add minus 10 and plus 10, it becomes 0. Minus 9 plus 9, 0. Then up to this you got 0. 0 plus 0 is also 0. So 0 divided by any number is 0 only. So the answer is 0. Age of 15 students. So this age of 15 students in a science test out of 50 are given below. Find the mean mark, the maximum mark obtained, the minimum mark obtained. So maximum mark obtained is what here? What is the maximum mark? You can easily find. Which one is the bigger number here? 47. So 47 is the maximum mark, and minimum mark is what? 10. So 10 is the minimum mark. So mean mark only have to find. So I do it in the note itself. So here, so for arithmetic mean formula, first you write sum of all observation divided by number of observation. That you write sum of all observation. I add all the observation, then divided by 15. 15 observations are there, so divided by 15. So when we add all these, we got 195 divided by 15. So both are comes in 5 table, because it is end in 5. How will you check it is divisible by 5? Either it is end by 0 or 5. 0 la அல்லது 5 la முடிஞ்சிருந்தா it divisible by 5. So both are ends in 5. So it is divisible by 5. So 3 5s are 15. Here 3 5s are 15. Remainder 4. 9 5s are 45. Again we can cut 3 table. 1 3 is 3. 13. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. So 13 is the answer. 13 divided by 1, 13. Next, third question. Sorry, now I explain the third question. Third question is here. The 14 students, marks of 14 students. So maximum mark obtained. This is the second question. Second question also the same only. 15 students, age of 15 students in 8th standard is given. Find the mean age. The mean only they asked. So sum of all observation divided by the number of observation, here 15. So third question also same. Number of here marks given, here age given, here mark given. For 14 students, here 15 students. So sum of all observation then divided by 14. So sum of all observation you got 490. When we add all these number, we got 490. If you can't add directly, means you write and add 34, 23, arrange the numbers and add like this. You got 490. Next divide by 14. So both comes in which table? Both are even numbers, so we can cut by 2 table. Otherwise 14 and 49 comes in which table? 7 table. So we can directly cut for 7 or 2. So I explain for 2. 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, remainder 1, 5 2s are 10. Again we can cut for which table? 7 table. 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21, remainder 3, 5 7s are 35. So 35 is the answer. Next, maximum mark obtained, minimum mark obtained. I already wrote in the book. Next, fourth question. The mean height of 11 students. Here some value is missing. Here the height is given as y. Here y plus 4. Then find the value of y and the height of the 2 students. Here the mean of the 11 students is 150. Here mean is given, then observation is some 2 terms are missing. We have to find the 2 terms. So first we write the mean height, then write the formula. Next you write mean height is what? 150, that is given. Then sum of all observation divided by number of observation. 11 observations are here, so we divide by 11. Next we move the 11 here. So 150 into 11 is equal to, when we add all these, y plus y, we get 2y. Because variable, how will you add the coefficient? So here 1, here 1. So 2y plus remaining numbers you add, means you got 1343. So here when we multiply these two, we got 1650. Next, keep the 2y here as it is. Next you move the 1346 to this side. So 1650 minus 1346. That only I write here. This steps comes here, this comes here. We can change the a equal to b nalum b equal to a nalum same da. So இது இங்க போகும்போது மைனஸ் ஆகும், அதான் இங்கே எழுதியிருக்கோம். இது ரெடி சேஞ்ச் பண்ணி எழுதியிருக்கோம். இது a ஈக்குவல் டு பினாலும் b ஈக்குவல் டு ஏனாலும் சேம் தானே. ஸோ ரெண்டையும் மாற்றி எழுதியிருக்கோம். இது லெஃப்ட் சைடில், இது வந்து 2y வந்து ரைட் சைடில் வரும், இது லெஃப்ட் சைடில் வரும். நான் மாற்றி எழுதியிருக்கேன், ரெண்டும் ஒன்று தான். ஸோ 2y is equal to, when we subtract these two, we got 304. All of you know how to subtract, so I no need to explain, I think. So y is equal to 304 divided by 2. So when we cancel this, 1 2 is 2, both are even numbers, so we can cancel. 1 2 is 2, remainder 1, 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So 152. So y we get. Next we want to find the y plus 4. So y plus 4 is equal to 152 plus 4, 156 centimeter. Next, fifth question. The mean of run. This is the same like the fourth problem. So here also one term is given as variable. So we want to find the x. So the same thing only. So here 276 into this divided by 10 comes equal out and multiply by 10. X plus 2520. So x is equal, so multiply these two. So 276. So multiples of 10 you can add easily. So write the number and add 1 0 is equal to x plus 2520. Next, x is equal to 2760 minus 2520. This 2520 comes here minus 2520. This as it is. So x is equal to, when we subtract these two, we got 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 2, 4, 2. So 240 is the answer. X equal to 200. When we subtract these two, we got 240. Next, the sixth question. Find the mean of the following data. Here also, you add all the observation. Here 14 observations are there, so divide by 14. So when we add all these, we got 70. You arrange the numbers and add. Here both comes in 7 table or 2 table also you can cut. So 2 7s are 14, 1 7 is 7, 0. So 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. So 5 is the answer. So here, this is the little different question. Arithmetic mean of 10 observation was found to be 22. If one more observation 44 was to be added to the data, what would be the new mean? So first you write the given arithmetic mean is 22. Number of observation is 10. So from this we can find the sum of all observation. So already we find in the filling the blanks. So arithmetic mean 22, sum of all observation we don't know, number of observation is 10. So sum of all observation is equal to 22, that is keep it in this side, divided by 10, goes equal after, multiply by 10. So 200 into 10 is 220. If one more observation 54 is added to the data. So here sum of all observation is this. So one more 54 is added means, 44, that is 44 is added means sum of all observation becomes 244. Next, new mean is equal to sum of observation divided by number of observation. Here one more observation we add, so the number of observation will should be 11. So these, when we cut these two, we got 24. So go side divide and find the answer. The answer should be 24. Next, mode. Next, exercise 5.2. Mode is the value of the data which occur maximum number of time. That is, from the given data, which value is repeating more times. That is, for example, if you are mark the height of the students, means some of the students got the same height. So that is, some height will be repeating. So which value is occurring most, that is the mode of the data. So இப்போ 150 சென்டிமீட்டரில் ஒரு கிளாஸில் 4 பேர் இருந்தாங்கன்னா அந்த 150 சென்டிமீட்டரில் தான் நிறைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்காங்கன்னா அந்த 150 தான் அந்த கிளாஸோட மோட். இட் இஸ் இந்த ஹைட்டோட மோட். ஸோ அதை வந்து எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணி மோட் வந்து we can easily find using tally marks. So what is tally marks? I explain. So here first you write the first you find the mode of the following data. For finding the mode, first you arrange the observation. So here what is the minimum value here? 2. Next, what is the minimum value? 3. 2, 3, and 4 is here, 5 is here, and 6, 7, 8, and there is no 9 and 10. No other numbers are here. 2 is the minimum number and 10 is the maximum number. So I arrange the numbers. Now you put the tally mark. So now first you write the what are the observations are given, that you write in the observation. So if the numbers are repeating means no need to write 2 times. Just which which values are given, that values only you have to write. Next, tally marks. How will you put? So first 2. So straight first value is 2. So straight 2 you put 1 dash. Next 4. So straight to 4 you put 1 dash. Next 5. So straight to 5 you 1 dash, put 1 dash. Next 2, again 2. So again you have to put 1 dash. Next 6. So from 6 you put 1. Next 7. So straight to 7 you put 1. Next again 2. So 2 again, in 2 you put 1 dash. Next 7. So in 7 you put 1 dash. Next 5. So 5, 1 more dash. Next 4. So 4 again 1 dash. Next 8. 8 1. Next 6. Next 10. Next 3. Next 2. Next 4. Next 2. So if 4 lines come means the fifth line you should cross like this. This is you counted as 5. So the frequency is 2 repeating how many times? 5 times. Next 3 is only 1 time. 4 is 3 times. 5 is 2 times. 6 is 2 times. 7 is 2 times. 8 is 1 time. 10 is 1 time. So here in this data which number is occurring more times, that is highest frequency. So 5 is the highest frequency. So the mode is 2. 2 only repeating 5 times. So 2 is the mode of the given observation. So mode is very easy to write. So first you write the observation, next you put the tally mark, next you write the frequency. The fifth line you should, if it comes 6 means put 1. Then 4 lines completed means the fifth line you have to cross like this. This you counted as 5. This symbol only you have to create afterwards. So next the same questions, the same like question only. So here number of points scored by Kabaddi team 20 matches. So here what is the smallest value? 27. So 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33 is here, 33, 34, 35, 30, 36, 36, 30, 37 is not here. So no need to write 37. Next 38 is here. 38. Next 39 is not here. So 38 is the biggest number, I think. Yes, 38 is the biggest number. So stop this. So first next you put the tally mark. The first observation is value is 36. So straight to 36 you put 1 dash. Next 35. So straight to 35 you put 1 dash. Next 27. So straight to 27 you put 1 dash. Next 28. Straight to 28 you put 1 dash. Next 29. So in 29 you put 1 dash. Next 31. So straight to 31. Next 32. 32. Next 31. Next 35. Next 38. Again 38. Next 31. Next 28. Next 31. Next 34. Next 33. Next 34. Next 31. 31 already 4 lines completed. The fifth line you should cross like this. Next 30. 29. So complete. Next you write the frequency. Here only 1 time. Here 2 times. 2, 1, 5, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. So here highest frequency is 5. So which value? 31. So the mode is equal to 31. Which number repeating more times? That is the mode. So 31 only repeating 5 times. So this is 31 is the mode of the given data. So the remaining 2 problems you can do like this. Do it yourself. median. So here objective type questions. You can see. Okay, dash is the representative value of the entire data. Representative value. So the answer is mean. The mean of the first 15 even number. First 15 even number. So what are the first 15 even number? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 5, 28 and 30. So for first 50 numbers I write. So add all these. So here also we can find the FAR of 10. 10 here 10. So 10, 20, 30. So I put one dash. I'll add up to this. We got 30. Next 20. Here when we add these two, we got 30. Here also we 30. 30 plus 30, 60. 60 plus 20, 80. So up to this 80. Here also 40, 50. Here also when we add these two, 50. 130. So 130, 160. 160 plus 80 is 240. Divided by how many observation? 15 observation. So both comes in 5 table. So 3 5s are 4 5s are 20, 8 5s are 40. Again we can cut. 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 6 3s are 18. So 16 is the answer. The average of the two numbers are 20. One of the number is 24, another number is. So average of two number is 24 plus another number we don't know. So x by 2 is equal to 20. So 24 plus x equal to 20 into 2 divided by 2 comes equal after 20 into 2 is 40. So x equal to 40 minus 24, that is 26. Sorry, 16. Next question, the mean of the data 12, x 28 is 18. Find the value of x. So 12 plus x plus 28 divided by how many observation? 3 observations. So divided by 3 is equal to what? Mean is 18. So 12 plus 28 is what? X plus 40 divided by 3 is equal to 18. So x plus 40 equal to 18 divided by 3 comes equal to multiply by 3. So x plus 40 is equal to 18 into 3 is 8 3 is 24, 54. So x equal to 54 minus 40, which is equal to 14. So 14 is the answer. Okay, next mode question. Mode the color used by the 6 students for drawing is blue, orange, yellow, white, green and blue. Then the mode is, so which color is repeating here? Blue only repeating. So blue. Remaining colors are only one time only they are used. Blue only using 2 times. Find the mode of the data. So here 3, 6, 9, 12, no number is repeating. So no mode. Here all the observation comes in only one time. So there is no mode. Find the mode of the following data. Here which number is repeating more times? 1 and 2. 1 also occurring 2 times, 2 also occurring 2 times, 3 1 time, 4 1 time, 5 1 time. So these 2, 1 and 2 and 1 is the mode of the data. Okay, next. Thank you students.